do for when I'm solving rational equations is if I have a polynomial like at this bottom here, I want to factor it. So I'm going to write the parts that I didn't touch yet. And then I'm going to factor the polynomial for you. And so that's going to give me, let's see, 165. Okay, so I will get these for factored form, so I'm going to do this. Now, as you can see, the reason I do that is because we need to make these, well, we needed to determine what the common denominator would be, right? Now, if I had not done this, I might have multiplied all these with everything. Now, because if I look, I either have x plus 2 or x plus 3 on the other fractions, right? This fraction has it all, which means this is the common denominator. This tells me that for this fraction, I need to multiply the top and the bottom with x plus 3. And this fraction, I need to multiply the top and the bottom with x plus 2. And this fraction, I don't need to do anything because it has the common denominator. All right? So we look at our setup. It's going to look like this. And now I'm going to distribute everything as necessary to give me x squared plus 3x over, again, I'm just going to leave this in factor form. Now, there we go. All right. Now from here, two things I'm going to do. I'm going to put all of these into one big fraction since they have a common denominator now. And I'm going to bring this over here by subtracting both sides with 5x. I'm going to subtract both sides with 5x plus 10 over x plus 2, x plus 3. All right, so how that's going to look like is this. We have x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x plus 2, x plus 3 minus 5x plus 10 over x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. All right, now I'm going to put these, because they have the common denominator, I'm going to put the top all into one big fraction. And so that is going to give me x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus, let's put parentheses because it's a minus sign. It will affect the signs for these, right? 5x plus 10 over x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. From here, I'm going to distribute the parentheses of the negative sign to give me x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 5x minus 10 over x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. Group the like terms, x squared minus 2x minus 8 over all that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to factor my top and see what it will give me, right? Because I might be able to simplify. Let's draw a line so we have space. Do the rest on top there. So once I factor it out, which I already did for you, I am going to get x minus 4 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. Oh look, x plus 2 and x plus 2, which means these two can cancel out each other, which gives me x minus 4 over x plus 3 equals 0. Now, in order to find my solution, I'm just going to honestly multiply both sides by x plus 3 because I want to get rid of the fraction, right? So x plus 3, x plus 3, which will then give me x minus 4 equals 0. Solve for x equals 4. So this would be my solution. All right. Now, but if you actually look in the instruction, we have something what we call also to list any extraneous solution. So an extraneous solution would be a value of x where, you know, the equation can equal to, but if you were to put it in, it would make your equation be undefined, right? And so in order to find the extraneous solution, you're actually going to take the bottom of the fraction that you have to find it, right? Because if anything makes this 0, then your equation would be undefined, right? So to find the extraneous solution, we are going to do x plus 3 equals 0. Isolate x to give us x equals negative 3, which then tells us that x cannot be negative 3, for this is the extraneous solution. All right, and that's how you solve rational equations. I know that is a lot, but thank you for tuning in this past hour, guys. Good job paying attention and taking down the notes that you need. All right, and again, as usual, if you have any questions, bring it to your deep dive lessons or shoot me a message. All right, good job today, y'all, on rational expressions and equations. Have a good rest of your day.